Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a company logo in the Trace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button and at the title block settings section, look for the company logo button and just click on that. And as you can see, there are three options. So you can upload a photo from your library or your cloud drive, and you can also take a picture. So to do that, click on the camera button and just take a photo. And if you are okay with that, just click on the use photo, but you can also retake it anytime. And as you can see, the logo is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.